Hello, this is question 1 on your June 2022 paper 1 from Edexcel, the AS paper. So you have to integrate this function, and the first thing we are going to do is to write this as x to the power of something. Yeah, and remember, it's what we know how to integrate, so it's the best thing to do. Square root of x is x to the power of a half. I have it in the denominator. If I want to bring it to the numerator, it's going to go negative. So this is 3x to the power of minus 1/2 divided by 2, and then plus 5 dx. And now I'm going to integrate each term. So 8x to the power of 3, I'm going to increase this by 1 and divide by the new exponent. And I'm going to copy the 8 at the moment. So x increased by 1, divide by the new exponent. Then the next one, I write the coefficient, and it's x to the power of 1 more. So 1 plus minus a half is a half, divided by a half. And then plus 5x, and remember to add the constant of integration, the c. And now I'm going to organize a bit the coefficients. Yeah? So I have 8 divided by 4, 2. And that's what they mean when they say write in the simplest form. It's just simplifying the coefficients. Then minus 3/2 divided by a half is 3, and x to the power of 1/2 plus 5x plus c. You can write x to the power of 1/2, or if you prefer root x, it doesn't matter. It's already in the simplest form. When they say in the simplest form, they just mean simplifying the coefficients. Yeah, and that's all with this question.